Bring it now. Hell yeah.
He's gonna try to do this thing.
Same thing, probably. Maybe a trick, I don't know. You alright? Look at those handlebars.
That's a beautiful thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Let me see, Ro.
You got deep in.
Ooh, what'd you hit that on?
The fucking bike? Oh, fuck.
Let's see, Ro. Do your pants have a rip in them?
His face started to go away. You alright?
Yeah. Yeah, he's alright.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you want stitches for that?
No, no, no.